Want to keep an eye on your credit for free, without hurting your score? Chase Credit Journey gives you weekly access to your Vantage score and report insights. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can access it even if you're not a Chase customer. Go to the Chase Credit Journey website or find it in the Chase mobile app under Accounts and Tools. Sign up with some basic personal information. Once enrolled, you'll see your score, factors affecting it, and a credit report summary. You can also set up alerts for changes like new accounts opened in your name. My crucial pro tip: focus on the trend, not just the number. Don't obsess over a single point change. Use Credit Journey to watch the trend over months. Is it steadily climbing? That's great. See a sudden drop? Investigate the "What's changed" section to understand why, which is more valuable than the score itself. Monitor your financial health proactively and for free. How often do you check your credit score? For more guides on financial health, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.